Hello everybody. Today we are going to make a cup and ball from the things that we have around the house. So we could make one that looked a little bit like this one perhaps, out of paper. Or we can try and make one out of a yogurt pot as well. So here are some of the things that we will need to make our cup and ball. You've got some masking tape or sellotape, rope or cord, some paper, scissors, some felt tip pens, a yogurt pot, and some tin foil. To start with, we're going to do the quickest one, which is the yogurt pot. So this is the best one because you get to eat your yogurt, and then after you washed it out, you can make it into a cup and ball. What we'll need to do, and you'll probably need a little bit of help to do this as well, is to get a scissors or a knife or something reasonably sharp, and to just make a little hole in the bottom of your cup and ball. So it's probably best if someone else does that for you. You then put a little string through that, and you just tie a little knot on the top, like that. So what's probably going to be best is if you get another piece of sellotape, and if it's broken a little bit, or you just think it might need a little bit of strength, just tie that onto the bottom. The last thing you need to do is use your little bit of tin foil. And before we do that, we tie a little knot on the end, push that in and scrunch it up. And here we have a cup and ball. Very, very easy to do, and you can take the label off and you can make your own designs on there as well if you really wanted to. Next one will be the paper one. So the first thing we need to do is get a little bit of string, and we need to tie one end. And once you've tied one end, we can put it back onto the table there. We need a piece of paper. Now with this piece of paper, we can put colours on it now if you want to. You can put stickers and everything on it, or we can leave it till later on in the process. What we can do now though is make this into a cone. So we start by doing that by one end and rolling that in, and you can get help just like with the cord. And before this little hole here gets a little bit too tight, we can put the little string in there and twist this a little bit tighter so that it doesn't come out. Now is a good time to actually get a piece of sellotape, stick it on there so the cone doesn't unravel. Now the next thing we need is a piece of tin foil, and scrunch this into a ball. And if you want to, you can tie a knot in the bottom of the string to make it last a little bit. And here we have a cup and ball. And it really doesn't take that long at all. Now, if you wanted to, you can make a nice little design on here as well. So I hope that you enjoy your cup and ball and enjoy making it as well. Hwyl fawr, bye bye.